Hey dear embedded system lovers, over the weekend I finally got my hands on this new OLED display screen and I could not wait to unbox it for you guys. Of course, I had to test it out, so I hooked it up to my Arduino Nano and just look at some of the cool displays I was able to create. Now, here is where I need you. What projects, images, or shapes have you been able to create with your OLED display? Drop your answers in the comments, and I really want to see your creative ideas. And if you would love me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the OLED with Arduino, let me know in the comment section and I will make it happen. So before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow makers, and of course subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next project. Do it to subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other embedded system lovers. So see you in my next video, and bye bye.